Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on receive notifications for voice and video calls on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you just click here on settings and it's going to take you to settings window here, and you just click here on message notifications. Then you come here to message notifications window, you come here to receive notifications for voice and video calls. You just click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us, that's me receive notifications for voice and video calls. It's turned on now. So that's all now. I wish now you are geared to just follow this way and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.